Hi guys, thank you for joining my course to make some money on Upwork. First of all, my introduction: who I am. My name is Sheikh Naveed. I am live from Karachi, Pakistan, and I am doing the freelancing on Upwork for more than 7 years, and I have earned millions of PKR or Pakistani rupees on Upwork, and I have taken good clients from that platform, something like Stanford University, and some big clients like the livehelp.com, some clients who were very big as per their project, some clients were short. So I have a very good experience regarding the Upwork platform, and I am working when the Upwork was the oldest only, and I have worked on fixed price and hourly projects. So overall a very good experience with the Upwork. So in this course I will teach you what are the do and don'ts, what are the advantages and disadvantages on working the Upwork type of platform, and why this platform is more better with some relevant and competitive type of job posting forums, something like people per hour, or some other like the fiverr.com. So we will discuss all the things here: how many type of projects are there, how many type of clients are there, what are the rules, what you can share with your clients, what you can't share with your clients, what are the fees, and to be honest, this project, this course is not for the beginners. This course is for the guys who are working on Upwork for more than 1 or 2 years. But now when the Upwork market has gotten very red ocean or saturated, and they are getting problems in getting new clients. So we will discuss here what are the main reasons you are not getting the clients while this is a red ocean market. So stay in touch with me. My name is Sheikh Naveed, and I will guide you in the next chapters. Thank you.